In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split expenses on Splitwise. If you've ever left a dinner or a trip wondering who owes what, this walkthrough will help you get organized fast. We'll set up the people you're splitting with, add an expense, choose how the cost is divided, and save it so everyone's balances update instantly. First, add the people you're splitting with. From your dashboard, look to the left sidebar and click. Add a group if you're sharing multiple expenses with the same set of people, like a trip, a household, or an event. Groups keep everything in one place and make ongoing splits simpler. If it's just a one-off with a single person, choose Add Friends instead. This links you directly with that person, so expenses between you stay tidy and separate from group activity. Next, it's time to add the actual cost. At the top of your screen, you'll see a large orange button labeled Add an Expense. Click that to open the expense form. If you're in a group, the expense will default to that group. If you're splitting with an individual, it will use that friend connection. Now enter the bill details. Start by typing the names of everyone sharing the bill so Splitwise knows who to include. Add a clear description like dinner or groceries so you can easily remember what this charge was for later. Then enter the total amount for the entire bill. If you want to keep a record for transparency, click the image icon to upload a receipt. This is optional, but it's handy when there are many items or if someone wants to double check amounts. Before saving, confirm how you want to split it. By default, Splitwise divides the bill equally among everyone you added. If that's correct, you're good to go. If not, click the word equally to change the method. Choose unequally to type exact dollar amounts for each person, which is perfect if someone covered an extra item. Choose percentages to assign a specific share, like 60% and 40%. Or choose shares if you want it to split by units, such as 1 share for a single person and 2 shares for a couple. As you adjust these, make sure the totals add up correctly. Splitwise will help you keep everything balanced. When everything looks right, click Save. Splitwise will update all balances instantly, showing who owes whom and by how much. That's it. Add your friends or group, add an expense, enter the details, confirm the split, and save. With those basics, you can keep shared costs clear, fair, and stress-free.